Creating a video surveillance system today can sometimes be a puzzle. Luckily, with Milestone XProtect video management software, it's easy because it brings all pieces together in a perfect combination so you can create a solution that keeps people, premises, and property safe today and tomorrow. Airports, casinos, and other 24-hour operations depend on constant, reliable surveillance, all day, every day. With more than 20 years on the market, XProtect has proven to be the right answer for more than 500,000 installations worldwide, from flower shops to universities, stadiums, and cities. You should be able to build a system that suits your needs. With our open platform approach, you get access to a community of thousands of integrated applications, services, and more than 8,500 hardware devices that add extra value and capabilities to your system. Let's be realistic. Sometimes bad things happen, and when they do, you need to react. XProtect is designed to be simple to learn and easy to use without compromising on advanced capabilities. And whether you are at home, at work, or on the go, XProtect is always there with 3 flexible viewing clients that put you in control anytime, anywhere. Starting with XProtect means starting right, with a future-proof VMS that can easily grow and expand over time as your needs change. It means starting with software that we upgrade and improve 3 times a year to make it better, safer, and more powerful. While you work to prevent, protect, and prove, we work to ensure you get a reliable, high-performing, and secure solution. Building a video solution today requires a solid foundation. It requires XProtect.